Hello friends, this is Botany Ramaya. In this video, I am going to explain about lichens. This video is very useful to MSET and NEET aspirants. So let's start our topic, lichens. What are lichens? Lichens are symbiotic association between algae and fungi. So here, symbiotic association means it is a living phenomenon. Here, both the partners are benefited. The term lichen was given by Theophrastus. Eric Acharius, he is regarded as father of lichenology. So what is meant by lichenology? The study of lichens is called lichenology. So in lichens, algal partner and fungal partner live together as symbionts in which they are living. In lichens, the algal component is known as phycobiont, very important point. And the fungal component in lichens is known as mycobiont. Algal component, that is phycobiont, it is autotrophic. The fungal partner, that is mycobiont, is heterotrophic. In lichens, algae prepare food and fungi provide shelter and absorb mineral nutrients and water for algae. This is symbiosis. Here, two different types of organisms, they depend on each other for their requirements. So it is a living phenomenon. Here, both the partners are benefited. Algae prepare food and fungi provide shelter and absorb mineral nutrients and water for algae. So here, both the partners are benefited. Crombie gave the master-slave hypothesis for this association. It is also called halotism, most accepted association nowadays. This is major part of lichens thallus is composed of fungal component. So here thallus means plant body. The plant body which is not differentiated into root, stem and leaves is called thallus. On the basis of their fungal component, lichens are of two types, ascolichen and basidiolichen. So first one is ascolichen. In ascolichen, fungal partner is the member of Ascomycetes. Most of the lichens are ascolichen. In ascolichens, algal partner is mostly member of green algae and rarely of blue-green algae. The next second one is basidio-lichen. In basidio-lichen, fungal partner belongs to class Basidiomycetes. In basidio-lichen, algal partner is always a member of Myxophyceae, that is blue-green algae. Blue-green algae. The next one is classification of algae. Classification of lichens on the basis of types of thallus. Lichens are of three types. First one is crustose lichen, second one is foliose lichen, and third one is fruticose lichen. So then first one is crustose lichen. In crustose lichen, thallus is flat. The thallus is closely adhered to the substratum, that is rocky substratum, and provides a crust-like appearance. Example is grayfish. Then second one is foliose lichen. In foliose lichen, the body is flat, broad, and lobed, and leaf-like, which is attached to the substratum at one or a few places. Parmelia, Dictyonema, etc. are examples of foliose lichen. Then third one is fruticose lichen. This type of lichen is branched like a bush and attached to the substratum by means of disc. Cladonia, Yavarnia, Usnia. These are examples for fruticose lichen. Then next one is economic importance of lichens. Cladonia rangiferina, Cladonia rangiferina. It is also called reindeer moss. It grows in tundra region. It is used as a food and fodder. Species of Parmelia are called rock flower and used as a food in South India. Its species are used as curry powder in India. So here, important point is Parmelia. It is also known as rock flower. Then next one is litmus. It is acid base indicator. This litmus is obtained from Roxella tinctoria. Oxalic acid is important broad spectrum antibiotic, and it is obtained from Usnea and Cladonia. Peltigera canina is used against hydrophobia. Hydrophobia means extreme irritable fear of water. The next one is Satraria islandica. Satraria islandica is used as laxative. So here laxative means it is a medicine for motion. The next one is indicator of air pollution. Lichens are very sensitive to SO2 and die at higher level of SO2. So lichens are not found in industrial areas where atmosphere is polluted by smoke, especially SO2. So lichens are biological indicator of air pollution. So my dear friends, ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, మరియు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయటం మాత్రం మర్చిపోవద్దు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.